guys, the Kingston season of excitement continues, and we kick it off with a lot of events. We had champs, we had Grand Slam, we have some parties going on, and today is a road march. It's Carnival Road March, and it's gonna be epic. This is our third time doing it. The first time, Alicia was pregnant, about just as pregnant as she is now, but you wouldn't know, like her first pregnancy, you wouldn't even know that she was pregnant. I'll post up a picture that you can see, and she's pregnant now. So, but them time they were, we were younger, so we could jump on the road, and all that stuff. But I think this one, we're gonna sit it out, maybe sit on the truck. Stand up sometimes, sit on the truck, but I don't think we can do the entire march for this one. We might have to sit on the truck, but we show you guys as much as possible. Costumes. You will see Alicia in her costume in a minute, but I'll show you the box, and I'll unbox mine so you can see. Yeah, and we just wake up though, guys. We just woke up, it's early in the morning. So we jump with GenXS, of course, and asafapowell, asafa. Shots, wow. Shots. T-shirt, don't think I'll be needing that. We have a lot of fandangos. A lot of stuff, so let me figure out these blue. Need to find the blue sneakers, which I should have a lot. Start putting on these. So this is where we're at so far, waiting on Alicia. I'll go on this piece. Waiting on Alicia to come assist me with the this one and some more. This is the head Caesar! Caesar! You don't look like them man from way back in the Bible days. What do you think about my costume? What do you think about it? You like it? Yeah? You would wear it?
I like your costume.
Like my costume?
Yeah, it looks that it fits on me.
Looks like it fits on me?
Yeah.
I think it fits on me. You want to borrow one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put one on you, come. You ready for Carnival? You look good. You ready, Amik?
Yeah.
Do a Carnival dance, let me see. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. That one is for my aunt.
Like this?
No. For my muscle, up on my muscle right here. Wow.
They have me pregnant and outside, guys. Pregnant and outside.
Wow. Alex, so your costume?
It's delayed until next week.
Alex is just an Uber driver for the day.
It's the Kingston season of excitement. This is what, the last leg? Well, I know after this they'll have parties and stuff after this. So
the big event.
Right. This is the big event. And clearly, if you're pregnant, you can still enjoy.
Yeah, man.
In a sunlight. Yeah. Even when you're pregnant, you can still enjoy. I have my coconut water. I'm going on the bus to watch you guys. Have fun.
Alright guys, see you on the road. So obviously this video won't have much talking because music. So okay guys, it's gonna be a vibes. It's
just about capturing the essence.
Yeah, so
the
maybe this video will be like 10 to 15 minutes long, just like all our videos. So we'll try and capture as much as possible. Ready or no? Ready?
What again, right? Yep. Play. Let me show the fear. That's right. Let me go. Play. Yeah, baby. DJ Rachel got you. Here we go.
Come here, my baby. Come let me show you nicest. Caribbean queen, you wine and you look the tightest. Come here, my baby. Come let me show you nicest. Yo, yo, Caribbean queen.
Oh, yes. I want to see everybody doing that. Let me see it. Ladies. The Super Powells, here we go. Yeah. TNG White Rose family. Yeah. Bunny Road. Burn Up. Road Drive. TNG. GenXS. Over to this side, the right side, to my right. Come over to the next side. Come over to the left of the truck, which is your left, my right. Yes, I can hear them saying sweet Jamaica will be a blast. Yeah, they're full of vibe and energy, they raw magic that comes down from the glass. When they integrate with so many resounding power, you could feel anytime, any hour, sunshine or summer. You could feel it anywhere you look, and it feel like a storybook. In Jamaica, they always carry it. They used to carry it all around, they carry it back. They used to carry it, they come from the carry it. No, they used to carry it, they don't, they carry it. They used to carry it.
Guess what? We had fun at the party.
Wow.
Asaf, it was fun. It's your time. It's your time to have fun now. You're gonna have fun?
Turn on it. Let me, Daddy will tie it for you.
Nah. Why? I was wearing a lot of things. I don't want
Why do you want this? You want this one?
Yeah.
You're a king? Move first, sir. Move on, girl. That need to turn the other way, baby. That turn upside down.
What?
The headband thing.
Is it?
Yeah, turn upside down.
It's alright.
Let me fix it the other way. Wow. Wow. I like it. It looks good. You have one of your knee strap too, Asaf? Wow, you had Carnival.
Now you guys just need music. Do-do. Nice.
Okay, it was an awesome time. The sun.
I think I need to go put eye drops in my eye. My eyes are sunburned.
I want.
Yeah, you're extra pregnant now. Yeah.
Yep, look. Tan like
Can
crazy.
you tie this?
Hmm?
That doesn't go there. You put it here. You just wear it like this. As a
The
check.
kids at Carnival now, guys.
They were
Daytime.
waiting to play with this.
It's their time to
We
party.
can go to battle.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Press the like button and maybe next year you guys can come out, some of you guys can come out and enjoy the Carnival as well.
Look at me,
It was
I
fun.
want music.
Thanks for watching. You want music?
Play a little soca for them.